I would be complex. I would be cool.
So what you just saw was an Among Us music player that I built for my friend's birthday, for her 16th birthday. So it would have been exactly a year from now, or exactly like a year ago from now. Um, and so she's a big Swiftie, loves Taylor Swift, and Among Us is kind of an inside joke. So I built the structure as an Among Us, and I programmed it to play Taylor Swift music. So yeah, it just uses this like 5 volt power supply. I do this for all my projects. I just steal chargers, 5 volt chargers that I can find. And I just cut the wires and make it work like that. Um, so yeah, one of the buttons is to go next song, previous song is the other button, and then one button to stop, like pause and play. And it's a lot more challenging than I expected. One, 3D modeling it was a bit of a challenge. It was definitely fun though. Gotta love making the Among Us character. Um, the other big problem was, so this uses a DF mini player. It's basically just an Arduino module that takes an SD card and it can turn that data into viable outputs for a speaker. Um, a really big challenge was getting this module to work. The programming, like the libraries for it, were all very outdated, at least at the time of my building this. And so there's a lot of issues in that regard. And SD card reader was just not working. A lot of like debugging issues. So it definitely took quite a lot of resilience for this project, but it was really fun. And I love making robotic projects with a purpose, like giving it to a friend. It felt really good to give like a personalized gift that utilizes my skills and my talents, and that felt really good. I will link the code and the CAD software, not the CAD software, the CAD files, the STL files, and everything on my website. But yeah, that was this project. Just uses an Arduino Nano DF mini player. Any speaker will work, preferably something small. And her 17th birthday is coming up, and so that's why I have this here. I was thinking what I'm gonna add to it, and when I do, I will add that and update it on the website, update the repository, the CAD files, and the code and everything. So from these eyes, I'm hoping to add a frame, like a glass frame, and then some like laser lights to kind of create a dispersion of light, kind of like a light show, like a laser show. So it'll disperse the light through this lens, through the eyes. I guess that'd be the mask. I guess they don't have eyes. I guess. But yeah, disperse it in that way, kind of make like a light show while it's playing these songs. I think that'd be really cool. I'm really excited for that actually. So that'll be fun to make. When I do get that done, if I do, I will add that to the repository, update the website, and everyone can go ahead and make their own Among Us music player. I made it for Taylor Swift songs. You can do whatever you want as long as the SD card has MP3 files. It'll work beautifully. And so yeah, that's this project. Thank you for watching. All the resources are on my website in the description below. Please contact me if you have any questions regarding this project or any other project, or any tips regarding how to build it or any issues you encounter. And yeah, that's it for this. Thank you for watching.